guys and welcome back to a brand new episode of your favorite show Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं Manish and I'm here to bring you all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. But before I kickstart today's episode, let me tell you guys about the Zoom Facebook page which has all the news about your favorite celebrities and giving you all the updates about everything that they're doing. So do check that out and now let's begin with today's episode. As DDLJ completes 25 years, a bronze statue of Raj and Simran to be unveiled in London. Ranveer Singh and Rohit Shetty to collaborate on new film Circus. Anushka and Virat enjoy a romantic sunset together in Dubai. Does Kartik Aaryan have a new hairstyle or was he having a bad hair day? Wedding bells ringing for Neha Rohanpreet and Aditya Shweta.
प्यार करती हो मुझसे? भरोसा है मुझ पे?
No.
तो बस डोली उठने की देर है।
Okay.
जब बात आती है रोमांटिक फिल्मों की, प्रेम कहानियों की जिन्होंने बॉलीवुड में इतिहास बनाया, तो राज और सिमरन का नाम सबसे आगे आता है।
Love Guru. I'm romancing Love Guru.
The iconic couple from the legendary film Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge have filled our hearts with love for 25 years now. और इस ऐतिहासिक पल को यादगार बनाने के लिए लंदन में शाहरुख और काजोल का एक ब्रॉन्ज स्टैच्यू अनवील किया जाएगा। बड़े-बड़े देशों में ऐसी स्पेशल बातें होती रहती है। If you are someone who was born in the 80s or even the 90s, chances are कि DDLJ आपकी जिंदगी की पहली या शायद सबसे रोमांटिक फिल्म है। The movie was one of the first to talk about second generation Indians living in the West. The clash of values, pyar, parivar, fatkar, it had all the ingredients of being an entertaining film. But what really made it memorable was the fabulous chemistry between Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol, which sealed their position as the most romantic pair in Bollywood. The two had worked in movies like Bazigar before, lekin DDLJ ke baad, the two were cast together in multiple movies to create memorable stories that have stayed with us for years after. Check it out. Shah Rukh and Kajol are not just great friends off screen, they have worked together in multiple films over the years.
Both of us हम बहुत सालों से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, लेकिन yes, having said that, I think the level of comfort and दोस्ती और आराम से जो हम काम करते हैं उसको सीरियसली नहीं लेते, एक्चुअली शायद इसलिए ही अच्छा लगता है।
Even the fact that Shah Rukh was already married to Gauri and Kajol eventually married Ajay Devgan didn't alter the effect watching the two on screen has had on their fans.
ये अच्छी स्पीच थी, इस पे तालियां होनी चाहिए।
Oh, so sweet.
Maybe it's their combined energy, spontaneity and effortless on-screen chemistry that has made sure कि जब भी दोनों एक फिल्म में काम करते हैं तो लोग दिल थामे रह जाते हैं। The two were first seen together in Bazigar, लेकिन वहाँ Shahrukh was playing a character with grey shades who actually kills Kajol's sister played by Shilpa Shetty. But DDLJ was the first time Shahrukh and Kajol came together in a full-fledged romance, complete with Milna, Bichhadna and Mummy Papa Ko Manana. DDLJ, which was shot in London, Europe and India, completes 25 years this week and to commemorate the special occasion, Heart of London Business Alliance ने announce किया है that Raj और Simran का एक statue लंदन के लेस्टर स्क्वायर में इंस्टॉल किया जाएगा। एक न्यूज रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक ये स्टैच्यू एक ऐसी सीन को डिपिक्ट करेगी जो लंदन में फिल्म किया गया था एंड विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ अ मूवी ट्रेल कॉल्ड सीन्स इन द स्क्वायर, जहां हैरी पॉटर, लॉरेल एंड हार्डी और वंडर वुमन जैसे आइकॉनिक कैरेक्टर्स के स्टैच्यूज भी इंस्टॉल्ड हैं। The statue, which will be built in bronze, is sure to attract thousands of visitors each year and NRIs in London who are huge Shah Rukh Khan fans. But Shah Rukh and Kajol are not just famous for their pairing in DDLJ. The two went on to create an iconic pair of Rahul and Anjali in the film Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, which recently celebrated 22 years.
First of all, because this evening is important for all the reasons that we've heard and all the reasons, inshallah, we'll keep hearing for the next 100 years. With respect to Dharma and Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and inshallah Karan Johar.
आज भी राहुल और अंजलि से जुड़े डायलॉग्स, गाने और उनका वो फ्रेंडशिप नोज टिकलिंग हाई फाइव लोगों को याद है।
कुछ कुछ होता है अंजलि, तुम नहीं समझोगे।
Shah Rukh and Kajol have starred together in My Name is Khan, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, Dilwale and Karan Arjun, with Kajol making special appearances in films like Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, Zero and Kal Ho Na Ho as a lucky charm. The two haven't really worked together in the recent past, but we know that जब भी ये दोनों actors एक साथ on screen आएंगे, तो दिलवाले audiences का प्यार ले जाएंगे. Happy 25th DDLJ. आता सगळ्यांची सटकली क्योंकि Ranveer and Rohit are all set to collaborate again on a brand new film, and this time they are bringing the whole circus with them. If it's one word that comes to mind when you think of Ranveer Singh and Rohit Shetty, it's energy. The two who have worked together on Simba before, which was a high-octane potboiler, are all set to make us laugh this time with their new film Circus. The movie is an out-and-out comedy, but Rohit Shetty ke andaz mein. Well guys, all that I can say is get ready for all the laughs that you can enjoy with this film. Check it out. Rohit Shetty is known for a unique but slightly over-the-top style of filmmaking, complete with flying cars, flying people, and macho heroes with South-style fight sequences. It's in-your-face, unabashed masala, but it works, and his successful track record speaks for itself. Ranveer, who has shown his talent and versatility by acting in a wide range of films including period dramas, a musical coming-of-age story like Gully Boy, and now will be playing Kapil Dev in the sports biopic 83, was hugely successful as Simba, a corrupt cop who undergoes a change of heart. It was the first time Ranveer was in a mainstream masala film, and audiences loved to see him do dialogue-bazi, drame-bazi and mukke-bazi. There were rumors floating around for quite some time now that while Ranveer waits for the release of 83 and Jesh Bhai Jordar, he may start working on a film with Rohit Shetty, who wants to work on a comedy film with Ranveer. लगता है लॉकडाउन में फिल्म की स्क्रिप्ट रेडी हो गई, and pictures Ranveer with Rohit Shetty and the producers have been shared to announce the film. Reports के मुताबिक Circus is Rohit Shetty's adaptation of Shakespeare's play The Comedy of Errors. रणवीर के अलावा इस फिल्म में दिखेंगी जैकलीन फर्नांडिस, पूजा हेगड़े, वरुण शर्मा and Rohit Shetty's regulars Johnny Lever, Sanjay Mishra, Vrajesh Hirji, Ashwini Kalsekar and Murli Sharma. We hear that the filming may begin as soon as next month and will be shot across locations in Mumbai, Goa and Ooty. While this is his second solo hero project with Rohit, Ranveer also has a cameo appearance in Suryavanshi, which has Akshay Kumar in the lead. We can't wait to see this madcapper that is sure to play to the galleries with every scene. Anushka Sharma is enjoying quality time with her husband in Dubai, where he's playing in a popular cricket tournament. Virat shared a romantic picture of Anushka and him enjoying a dip in the ocean at sunset. और उनके प्यार के golden glow को देख के social media is having a meltdown. Virat and Anushka are often seen as one of India's power couples. She is a successful actor and producer, while Virat is the captain of the Indian cricket team. विराट और अनुष्का ने 2017 में अपनी शादी की अनाउंसमेंट से सबको सरप्राइज कर दिया था, and while they both have really busy schedules otherwise, pandemic और लॉकडाउन की वजह से they've got the opportunity to spend a lot of time together and they are making the most of it. Check it out. Anushka is currently taking a break from acting to focus on her production house, which is creating some very successful web series and films. While she was busy in the months following their wedding, and the two also had a long-distance relationship before marriage, क्योंकि दोनों ही अपने काम की वजह से travel करते थे. It looks like Anushka अपने husband के साथ भी time spend करना चाहती है and the long lockdown has given them the opportunity to finally spend lots of time together. दोनों के कई adorable photos और videos देखने को मिले हैं. Whether it was Anushka giving Virat a haircut, the two having fun with their dog, making cakes and cooking together, or goofing around with Virat imitating a dinosaur, or Anushka imitating fans in an audience asking Virat to hit a 4.
ए कोली चौका मारना चौका क्या कर रहा है ए कोली चौका मार.
The couple, who is currently in Dubai where Virat is playing in a cricket tournament, recently announced कि वो बहुत जल्द parents बनने वाले हैं and their fans were ecstatic to see a picture of the two with Anushka's baby bump making its debut. Anushka had shared another picture of herself holding her baby bump, जिसे देख के विराट ने कहा था, "My whole world in one frame." Looks like the couple is making the most of their time together और विराट अपनी wife का बहुत ख्याल रख रहे हैं. Though he is busy playing matches, the loving husband is making sure to snatch romantic moments with his wife and pamper her during pregnancy. The two were snapped enjoying a dip in the ocean with the beautiful backdrop of sunset. विराट के टीममेट क्रिकेटर AB de Villiers ने ये अमेजिंग फोटो क्लिक किया है जहां विराट और अनुष्का सनसेट के अगेंस्ट सिलुएट में दिख रहे हैं और दोनों ही एक दूसरे की आंखों में खोए खोए से लग रहे हैं. विराट को इस प्यार भरे पिक्चर को कोई कैप्शन नहीं देना पड़ा एंड ही जस्ट एडेड अ हार्ट इमोजी बिकॉज तस्वीरें अक्सर सब कुछ कह जाती है. Not surprisingly, the image was shared and liked thousands of times, with many fans loving their PDA and loving the soft romantic side of Virat, जो on field काफी serious होते हैं. Anushka has also been spotted cheering Virat on during his matches and was seen in a group picture with her husband's teammates and others supporting the team he is playing for, where she adorably held her baby bump and was all smiles for the camera. Looks like Anushka अपनी pregnancy को पूरी तरह enjoy कर रही हैं और विराट एक अच्छे husband की तरह उनका बहुत ख्याल रख रहे हैं. We can't wait for the two of them to become parents and set parenting goals as well. Looks like Kartik Aaryan was having a bad hair day. The actor, जिनके बाल हमेशा upbeat रहते हैं and are found flying high above his head, seemed to be taking on a new avatar. क्या hair products ने धोखा दिया? या फिर कार्तिक ने सलमान के नाम किया अपना नया लुक सनम? Kartik Aaryan, who is looking forward to quite a few entertaining films this year, including Bhool Bhulaiya 2 and Dostana 2, has been in Gwalior for quite some time now, spending time with his family during lockdown. But while the actor has returned back to Mumbai, it looks like he has left his trademark hair behind. The actor's new long hair look seems to have amused his fans, जिन्हें कार्तिक के इस नए लुक में सलमान का पुराना लुक नजर आया है. आज कोकी से हम पूछेंगे कि आखिर इस नए लुक के पीछे की स्टोरी क्या है. Check it out. Kartik has stayed home and encouraged others to do so as the pandemic continues in India. While the actor was quite active on social media in the initial months of the lockdown by sharing a thought-provoking monologue and even a rap song about the importance of staying home and staying safe, लगता है पिछले कई महीनों में कार्तिक अपने फैमिली के साथ टाइम बिता रहे हैं and has been keeping a low profile online.
Okay, you got the string? You got it? I got it. Okay, now rip it that way.
The actor, who shared updates of him celebrating Raksha Bandhan with his extended family earlier this year, and most recently shared a post of him and his sister playing table tennis at what seems to be their Gwalior home. लेकिन लगता है फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद कार्तिक is back in Mumbai and perhaps will be resuming work very soon. There were rumors that the filming of Bhool Bhulaiya 2 might resume soon, लेकिन लगता है कार्तिक के बाल अपनी भूल भुलैया में खो गए हैं. The actor, who is known for having quite the crowning glory, looked completely different with long hair, that seemed a far cry from his usually upward styled hair that gives him quite a distinctive look. While कार्तिक अपने कई फिल्मों के लिए अलग हेयर स्टाइल के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट कर चुके हैं, looks like वो ऑफ स्क्रीन भी नए लुक्स के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं. The actor whose T-shirt declared कि वो morning person नहीं है was greeted by the paparazzi who were happy to spot him after a long time. But मास्क के पीछे और जुल्फों के नीचे कार्तिक को recognize करना मुश्किल था. Several netizens compared his new hairdo to Salman's highly popular hairstyle from Tere Naam, where he sported long hair and a middle parting. लोगों ने कार्तिक के इस न्यू लुक पर कमेंट करते हुए कई हिलेरियस कमेंट्स पोस्ट किए. Some asked if he had changed his shampoo, while others asked if he was preparing for Tere Naam Part 2. Looks like कार्तिक का ये नया लुक उनके फैंस को कुछ खास पसंद नहीं आया. Well, Karthik, maybe it's time for a visit to the salon very soon. वरना कोकी को क्या हुआ, ये फैंस जरूर पूछेंगे. नेहा कक्कर के शादी का कार्ड हुआ है वायरल एंड आदित्य नारायण के पापा उदित नारायण ने दी उन्हें फाइनल वार्निंग. Looks like Neha and Aditya, who reportedly acted like they were in a relationship to increase the ratings of the show they were working on, seem to be heading into a real relationship this time. Band Baja Barat ke saath. Looks like two more love stories are headed for lockdown shadis in Bollywood. Popular singer Neha Kakkar, whose social media posts have been teasing her fans with a will she, won't she on the marriage front, looks like is all set to marry Punjabi singer Rohanpreet Singh this month. A picture of their supposed wedding card has gone viral, but neither of the two singers has offered any clarification. In the meanwhile, her former is he, isn't he boyfriend Aditya Narayan is all set to marry his longtime girlfriend in a small ceremony in December. Looks like it's finally time for some celebration in both the families. Check it out. Neha and Rohanpreet recently made their relationship public with similar social media posts and even revealed their couple name #Nehupreet. The couple first fanned the wedding rumors when a picture from their supposed roka went viral this month. नेहा ने अपने नए सॉन्ग को भी जब अनाउंस किया तो पोस्टर कुछ ऐसे बनाया कि उनके फैंस काफी कंफ्यूज हो गए about whether Neha is announcing her new single or announcing that she won't be single for long. The poster even had words Neha weds Rohanpreet, but उस वक्त ये clarify हो गया था कि ये सिर्फ song की announcement थी. But now with a picture of their alleged wedding card doing the rounds, it seems like Neha Davya might just become a reality soon. According to the picture on the cards, दोनों की शादी 26th October को है at a venue in Punjab. We are waiting for confirmations and mithai if there is such a khush khabari. But we will keep you guys posted about any updates that we get. लेकिन जहां नेहा एंड रोहनप्रीत बढ़ा रहे हैं शादी रिलेटेड सस्पेंस, वहीं आदित्य नारायण is gearing up to marry long-time girlfriend Shweta Agarwal in December. But while Mia Bibi are razi, looks like पापा उदित नारायण अपने बेटे के घोड़े चढ़ने के प्लान सुनकर थोड़े डर गए थे. In an interview with a newspaper, Udit ji shared वो जानते थे कि श्वेता आदित्य की दोस्त है. शादी की बात सुनकर वो थोड़ा शॉक हो गए. He also warned his son कि मियां बीवी राजी है, लेकिन आगे जाकर अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो तो ब्लेम उनके पेरेंट्स पे नहीं आना चाहिए. उदित जी ने कहा, वो मेरे पास आया और कहा कि पापा मैंने शादी करने का फैसला कर लिया है. सुनकर थोड़ा चौंक तो गया, लेकिन फिर उसे अपनी पूरी बात रखने का मौका दिया. मैंने उन्हें सिर्फ एक बात कही कि आगे चलकर कुछ भी हुआ तो माँ बाप को दोष ना देना. Udit ji added that while he and his wife wanted to celebrate Aditya's wedding with a lavish celebration and call all their family and friends, वो हालात को ध्यान रखते हुए वो सिर्फ एक छोटी सी सेरेमनी ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे. Well, looks like there's going to be lots of Gana, Bajana and Barats in not just one but two homes. Here's wishing both the couples the very best of luck and lots of good wishes for a happy married life. और अब वक्त है एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere. We have a lot more on the other side. According to reports, actor Arjun Rampal's girlfriend's brother, Agisilaos Dimitris, has been arrested by the NCB after they found him in the possession of banned substances. The NCB, which is investigating the nexus between Bollywood celebrities and the suppliers of banned substances, has sent Agisilaos into 2-day custody. NCB ने सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के केस के साथ अपनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन की शुरुआत की थी, but now it seems like after questioning Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor and Rakulpreet Singh, they are looking into many other individuals who are not connected with Sushant directly or are a part of the film industry either. It is being reported that Agisilaos' name cropped up after the arrest of other peddlers of banned substances. Check it out. Agisilaos is an African citizen and reports claim that the NCB seized 2 different banned substances from him. The NCB, which is still investigating links between various peddlers and cartels of banned substance providers in relation to the Sushant Singh Rajput case, had also questioned high-profile stars like Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor and Rakulpreet Singh after their names cropped up in old chats where banned substances were being discussed or they were named by individuals being questioned like Jaya Saha, who belonged to a talent management company. इन सारे स्टार्स के अलावा एनसीबी ने रिया चक्रवर्ती को ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीना जुडिशियल कस्टडी में रखा, but since they were unable to prove their allegations against her, she was released on bail recently by the Bombay High Court. Her brother Shovik, however, still remains in jail. Now, in a new development, Arjun Rampal की गर्लफ्रेंड गैब्रिएला डिमिट्रीज के भाई को एनसीबी ने अरेस्ट किया है. According to the NCB Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede, Agisilaos उन बैंड सब्सटेंस पेडलर्स के साथ कांटेक्ट में था जिनको सुशांत से जुड़े केस में इन्वेस्टिगेट किया जा रहा है. The accused has been in touch with peddlers from Sushant Riya case. The accused had a direct connection to the case and therefore he has been arrested. The NCB has got his custody for 2 days, Wankhede told a publication. इस अरेस्ट के कुछ ही दिन पहले NCB ने 9 करोड़ की वैल्यू के बैन सब्सटेंसेस को सीज किया था and it was Mr. Wankhede who had led the operation. While the team of forensic experts from AIIMS has concluded that no foul play was involved in Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, there were reports that the CBI may have also reached a similar conclusion, but an official report from the agency is awaited. Enforcement Directorate जो रिया के खिलाफ लगाए गए फाइनेंशियल फ्रॉड्स के चार्जेस को इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रहा था, सुशांत के अकाउंट से रिया के अकाउंट में कोई बड़े ट्रांसफर्स ट्रेस नहीं कर पाए हैं. However, the NCB, which now seems to have widened the scope of its investigation, is all set to dig deeper into the use of banned substances in Bollywood. Well, guys, with that, we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood, promising to be back tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest news, views, and updates about your favorite stars. But before I go, I do want to remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe, stay home, and ciao.